The tag is still on it.
Try it real quick. Right.
Yeah.
Sponsor us. Sponsor the thing.
Specifically the duct tape, not
Duck. Duck tape. Thank you. Take your helmets off if you're hot. Get to the apex, then you can post it and then start taking off quick and running this part. So that way you're not getting so tired. But here, this is where you're getting tired because you're coasting it and then you're trying to catch up here. Flip it the other way around. Here, don't move. Stop moving. Don't stop moving your feet. Keep moving your feet. When you get to the apex, post it around and then flip here and take off. Okay? Try it right now when we start. Today's practice right now, we're covering endurance. We're also going to be covering quick recovery, blocking, and we're going to do a little bit of scrimmaging so that way we can be ready for our upcoming game in August when we play the Diablos. Yeah, look up. The ground is not going nowhere. The ground will be there no matter if you look down, you look this way, look up. Don't look down. Because the more you look down, you're going to start to fall forward. You're going to lose your derby stance. And then you're going to go face forward. So
Like
just
the front ones.
look forward. Start making sure like you look to the side. Like that. Yeah, that's just championship game, we'll be ready again for whoever we play and let's go. You know, for the self-championship, it's going to be a hot day, number one. So we got to make sure that our players are ready with their endurance. They're able to go ahead and get those jams done, you know, safe and doing well. And, you know, just being our team, being Viudas, that's what we are. We're known for, you know, our plays and our endurance, and so we got it. Go ahead, go. The snake drill is also, well, one of the things is to keep up with that endurance. to practice our hitting. Make sure our hits connect, they're clean. We want to make sure that the girls are able to have their balance without hitting and without falling. So it just kind of, you know, keeps their blood flowing and reminding them that, you know what, you need to connect those hits. You got to keep up that skating and don't fall. We're gonna go ahead and give him a break, then we're gonna scrimmage a little bit, and then the rest will stretch out and then maybe like do any upcoming announcements for the team.
Two more sets. 14 more laps.
Shut up.
You got it?
Get water. Right now we're gonna do our drill. We're gonna have one jammer, a blocker, and you guys are gonna line up and you'll be replaced every time this blocker passes. You're gonna get up, you're gonna form that line, and you're gonna hold that line, okay? At one point, I'm gonna say speed skate. I want you guys to take off, speed skate, stay together, okay? Jammer, whoever the jammer is at that point, try to get through the pack, okay? Try to get through that pack. Let's do hitting percentage. Right now, we'll do 70%. No, trying to get injured. We need to practice hitting, okay?
But only give you like 10%.
Huh?
Is it only give you like 10%?
Yes.
5%. A nudge, a little nudge, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Other than her, but I don't think we should go 70. I think we should go what? We should go more percentage of hitting.
Yeah.
So we need to practice hitting hard.
I have some grievances I would like to take out today, so I don't think I'm gonna do a 70.
Okay, well, you're saying what? You're in the one that I'm like, oh, your face.
Remember, when you guys are hitting, especially our jammers, try to use this portion. Watch your hands and watch those elbows, okay? Same thing for blockers. Watch the tripping and watch the hands. If you're gonna be staying together, remember, you can hold, come here. I'm gonna use you. You're a cat now. If you're gonna be moving your player around and you're holding, if that blocker comes, make sure to let go, okay? You can do this, let go though, don't hold, all right? Who's gonna go first as a jammer? And blocker?
Hell yeah.
Hold the carousel. All right, start lighting up the blockers, the next blockers. 2 whistles. Is he actually trying to get through? Yeah. We'll throw in a pivot for the opposite team once the blockers are already up, okay? All right, ready? It will be 2 whistles, but I'm not counting the minutes. 2 whistles. Ready?
I was off.
jammer. So who wants to jam? And if you haven't blocked, let's start lining up. Get them off the track. Okay, the whole goal is to not have that the opposite jammer score points. But make sure that when you're hitting, you're not doing this because they're gonna count that as a penalty because you're using your elbow. Try to tuck in that elbow and hit this way. Okay. I'm too short. Thank you. Hit this way. When you hit her, try to give that push. Okay. Now, if you are the opposite person and they're hitting you, resist it. Okay. Don't just let them hit you and go with it because that's when you're going to fall, you're going to get knocked out. If they're going to hit you, ready? They're going to hit you, hit back. They're probably not going to expect that. Start doing that, start getting prepared. Even if you see that other player and you're like, you know what, I think they're going to hit me, get ready. Just be prepared mentally, like, I'm going to hit them back. And hit them back. Hit them back. They're not going to expect that. Like, oh. See how when one player would kind of lose her spot in the wall, how the next one would constantly go and recover for her, and then that one would go either on top or in the middle. There's no holes, okay? No holes. What you also need to remember to do is if that jammer is speeding and they're speeding you up, but there's 2, 3 of you, more girls than the other player, you need to slow them down. Sit on them, slow them down. Do not let one jammer be in charge of how fast you guys go. Okay? Slow them down, it gets them more tired. Alright? We're gonna do a snake drill. We're gonna do hitting. And we're gonna start with our shoulder hits. Once you get through and you go around, you already went through, then we'll start with the hip checks. And then we'll come down, we'll take a quick break, get water, and then we're gonna start scrimmaging. Alright? Ready?
Grab them, just in case. But if it's the cream for that time off, don't mind me and my chimples.
That's it. Be aggressive, got to be aggressive, got to be A-G-G-R-E-S-S-I-V-E.
Oh my god.
No, like.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh god, now.
Oh my goodness. It didn't work.
It's not possible.
It's not fast to do in my head. Just two of us.
Well, what would we be saying? No one would hear us, or just for fun.
I got dizzy. Well, the girls would be behind us doing the cheer, and then just the two girls in the front spot.
Yeah.
Viudas.
It's working apparently.
Should get the skirts, and then under get like the shorts with the letters.
That's what I'm saying. What would we spell? Oh, true. I'm like, what would we spell?
Yeah. Imagine
Oh,
you guys
I
don't
like
go on the
that.
same
Oh my god.
They're like, what the fuck?
Hashtag an exclamation point.
Oh, true.
Okay.
I'm down.
I like it.
Sí, yo sí quiero.
There we go. That'll be my new cover photo, so we all better do it.
We can do like a 4-man wall and an assist.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the jump.
Let's go ahead and do that. So I need to know who's gonna go ahead and jam first, and then the rest of you. Okay. And I need a pivot. You gonna do a pivot? Sure. Jam.
But opposite. She's my assist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
And you want to jam it from the opposite or no? Just you.
No, I don't think so.
Or my mom.
Our scrimmaging.
So what we do is basically we try to have our walls, our 3 players, our pivot, and then our jammer. Depending on how many players are here, we'll throw in a jammer for the opposite team. That's why we have the panties and a pivot. And then we go ahead and we practice on our hitting and trying to get through that pack. So it's kind of like a win-win, win or lose. I'm happy when the walls work. Then when that jammer can't get through, it's like, oh man, my jammer can't get through, but my walls are working. And then opposite way, when the jammer gets through, and I'm like, oh, my walls are not working, but hey, my jammer got through, so.
I sure am not.
All right, you ready? That was a very strong wall, and that's what we need to continue to do. The only thing, slow down a little bit, okay? We started speeding you guys up, and there is 3 of you. You need to take control of that speed and slow her down. There's 4 of them. Oh, 4. 3, 4.
Math is hard. Yeah.
1 more. All right, new jammer. Push through. Once you're through, just take off. Don't second guess it. If you have that second of an opening, take off. All right? 2 whistles, 1 minute. Ready? Very aggressive. You need to use that aggressiveness to get through.
Hey, don't give up though. Don't get scared.
I know, it's not that. I'm just like, I gas out once I get through my phone.
You're gassing yourself out very fast. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Oh, you charge really hard for you.
New jammer. Okay, well, you'll go after her. Move it. you. Why didn't you tell them to let you go?
We want to listen to her. We don't listen to the opposing jammer. We only listen to the ref. We don't listen to the opposing jammer. I say shit all the time. I say let me through. And sometimes I do. And so I'm not gonna do it.
And then sometimes it's too loud in here and I yell and then I have to get. All right. Switch it up, guys. Do all right. Our walls are really good. I'm not worried about the walls anymore. Now I'm just more concentrating on the speed and our hits. All right. We need to make sure that we start getting those hits down, especially for our August game. All right. Again, walls are great. Doesn't mean that we're not going to continue to work on our walls. The reason why they are the way they are is because we work on them. Yeah. Okay. All right. Ready?
Ready.
Use your shoulders, hips to get through. Once you get through that pack, don't hesitate. Take off. Okay? Look for your pivot. Pivot. You should be making those holes, not doing throw back. All right, ready?
Ready.
2 whistles, 1 minute. Good, Tina. The other teams are great. I mean, we're all one league. Every team brings something different, you know, but for the most part, all the women here in the league, no matter what team you're in, we're all doing really, really good. We're not feel like we get a penalty. Regardless of however many girls are up there, out of sight, out of mind, what rule says, no. You get hit out, get up with your other team, pack it up. That's your main goal. Get up there, get with the pack, and ball it up. Okay? Simple. Simple in words. Have your jammer coming. If you were to get on top, you can actually waterfall the other players. Get on top, hit them, push them down, make that hole so that your jammer can get through, especially if they're up here trying to get through. Get up top, ladies. Push the other line down and let your jammer get through. Okay? like game day.
4 minutes.
Oh my god.
Right. Or who's leading?
You.
Okay, I was like, single knee.
Alright, really quick, when you guys go down, but I think that we need to go ahead and start looking into getting our gummies made. We can start selling them at the games before we play in August. So that would be an easy sell for us versus having to sell inside games and whatnot, right? So we'll start talking, I think maybe talking about that in the chat for the day when everybody can show up. And it has to be everybody, it can't just be one person here, Scrapbook there. Okay, we're a team, we need to work as a team.
See.
Alright? Any
No, same leg. Same leg.
You guys are doing raffle, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, we already got here. Got the thing. Just a cute little hair dryer.
Practice went well. Was our full team. It went well. I'm very excited for our upcoming game in August. I'm excited for any upcoming mashups. And for the most part, very proud because once a Viuda, always a Viuda. So our walls, I think our walls are our strongest point. We really work hard on those. And the walls, I want to make sure that our team maintains them so that way we can prevent the other team from getting through. Also, if the other team tries to get us off, we can hold that. And if our walls are broken, just like a spider web, we come right back together. Ready on the count of 3, all right? Viuda, ready on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Viuda!